Okay, today is Saturday, August the 6th, 2008. Good news, I got power in my house. My brother behind me's got power at his house. My sister's got power at her house, which is over there. My brother lives back there. But my father still doesn't have power, so it's kind of strange. And across the street don't have power. So we're very lucky here. I'm on my way to church right now. Excuse me while I'm putting my seatbelt and things. Hey, Leonard Skinner playing on the radio here. Don't know if the church has got power yet or not. So we're starting to come back to life over here. At least I'm starting to communicate with the outside world here. People will have to wait this car ride here. Probably wait for the. I can probably make it after that. And I don't know if anyone else has got power over here. Kind of hard to tell during the daytime. There was a house back there with the blue tarp. I meant to get a picture of that. Got to sleep last night, had air conditioning, so that felt good. And tonight I'm going to have to do laundry and stuff. And now, Switch is talking about Ike now. Where is he going to go? They're expecting to hit Miami, which is on the east side of Florida. Is it going to go through Florida and go in the Gulf Coast, or what's it going to do? So we'll have to keep an eye on that real close. I can't tell if anyone's got power or not. It's also kind of hard to tell anyway because people had generators, so I haven't had to go in those crazy gas lines, but this weekend I'm going to have to. Probably I'll do it at the church. Hopefully there's a lot more gas stations open now. Instead of just one or two where people are just fighting to get in. People actually standing up to 3, maybe 4 hours in line just to get gas. It's been crazy, folks. It really has. Could have been a lot worse. You see, this is a new energy company. This is Energy up here. See the traffic lights on, so that's a good sign. It's the first time I've seen that traffic light on in a while. Catch 22 is open. Oh, no, sorry, that's Fisherman's One stop. Looks like nobody's coming. Head over for church. $3:47 in the afternoon. I got my car about 5 o'clock last night, which was kind of a funny story. I had washed my cell phone before I left Norman, Oklahoma, so I went through the whole storm with no cell phone. And my insurance told me I had to have it mailed to me, so I couldn't just pick one up when I went down to Houston. So we got that done. And it was supposed to come Tuesday, but because of the storm, it got delayed. Well, I got it Friday, and I took the phone out of the package, and I took the cell phone battery, and I put it into the cell phone, and at that instant, all my power came on. It was the weirdest thing you could ever see. Okay, look like quite a few cars here. It looks like it could be dark in the church. More cars than I was anticipating. Not a whole lot of people, really, to be honest with you. That's 10 minutes till. I'll get a few more people coming up. This is Holy Rosary Catholic Church. This is the church I go to. I go to every Saturday night. That way I can sleep in on Sunday, because I'll have to get up and go to work Sunday night. So this is best for me right here. Stand by, I gotta park here. Pay attention to my parking. Okay, looks like I'm good. This one guy here is a little closer to one side. That's what makes it hard. See, that guy's a little bit over there on the line there, but looks like I'm good. I'm between them. And now it is time for church. As I say goodbye to Leonard Skinner, who's playing Freebird on the radio here. I don't know if you can see it on it. It says XM2 Leonard Skinner, and it says for the song Then Again Live. Okay, this is playing them albums. That's what this is. Okay, they're actually playing a whole album like they used to back in the 70s. Alright guys, time for church. Talk to y'all later.